Okay, time for me to start cooking. Okay, now that I finished cooking my rice, let me use this to chop this nicely. See my peppers, red peppers and red and green peppers. Let me close this because I don't want flies spoiling my meal. There, look at my red peppers. Oof, they look so nice. Let's chop them up. Here I am mixing both green and red peppers. Not chilies. Chilies are in a different container. These are my chilies, my green chilies. I put them separately. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and share. Don't forget to bring a friend or a family member, or just bring the whole village or the whole team to the channel. So now I'm going to fry my onions. Cooking oil. I have no idea how many meals I'm going to make. Okay, now I'm gonna fry my onions, add my peppers. Oh no, I need to divide these onions into two because I'm going to make another different dish. Oh yeah, I can make that one first. Ladies and gentlemen, let's spice up our onions. That's my green chili. Ooh, go there. It looks beautiful. It looks delicious. Delicious. Oh, I love cooking. This is so relaxing. I've got my onions. They are fried with some red chilies. And now I'm going to make a very tasty fried rice. Let me get my peppers. I think I've got too many peppers, but just add some peppers. That's enough. I really cannot overpower it. Remember my rice that I cooked earlier? Need to add some rice in here. Rice. Add a little bit more rice. As my rice here, ladies and gentlemen, the peppers are still very fresh. Rice I cooked earlier, cleaned it and removed all the starch. It took like 18 to 20 minutes to cook. And then I added a bit of salt into the rice. Now when it's like this, you can add your chili if you want, or you can add your black pepper if you want. But this is your vegetable rice. I've got red and green bell peppers, and I've got chilies which are fried earlier with my onions. Now isn't that colorful? Look at that. My nicely done fried rice with vegetables. Earlier I cooked this rice, this basmati rice. It took about 18 to 20 minutes to cook, and I steamed it up nicely and removed all the starch and cleaned it. Just added salt in it. Now I've added fresh bell peppers, green and red, and I'm going to put it on my stove and cook it. We're going to have 3 rice dishes, my friends. Let's fry our rice. A little bit of cooking oil, not too much. Nice. Very nice, but it needs salt. The only reason why I add my bell peppers later is because I want the taste to be different, because then they are crunchier. Now I'm going to add a bit of salt. This meal you can just eat it like that. Nice. Tasty. The chili, the green pepper, the red pepper, and the rice. Tasty. That's it. Our dish is done. And that's, my friend, it's our fried rice with vegetables. I'll call it fried vegetable rice for your camping. And that's beautiful. Our fried vegetable rice. In our ingredients for the rice: salt, vegetable oil, onions, fresh chili, fresh green and red peppers, and that's it. I use Basmati rice. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notification button so you never miss any of these delicious camping meals. These camping cooking videos were filmed using the Canon M50 with the kit lens 15x45mm and Rode Wireless Go microphone. In some of the videos, I will be using Rode Video Micro, which is a shotgun microphone. Every equipment used in the making of this video is available in the links below the description of this video. If you click those links to purchase any of the equipment, I will get a little commission.